the data from one node to another, we want to join them by using this edge or branch. Then in send response, we have two options. If you want to follow a specific script, then use the option static, or if you want to tell your AI agent what to do in plain and simple English, use the prompt option where you just need to describe what you want in natural language. We can say something like you are Anna, so we are giving a name to our AI voice agent who is responsible for informing the other person or the user that their car or vehicle is being towed by this particular company. Then we can give it some style like be conversational or friendly, use everyday language to create a cozy and friendly vibe in the conversation. But adding all the prompts in one paragraph make it much harder for AI voice agent to understand. So we can easily categorize or divide our entire prompt into 4 different sections. The first is identity, where we will define the role of our AI voice agent. So we can use this prompt as our identity. Next, we want to give context for our AI voice agent, like what is our background business, where we are located at, what's our opening time, phone number, etc. etc. So for the second part, we can say background or context for this particular company. So let's add the address, business hours, towing fee, and vehicle parking fees. Third is style guardrails, which defines on how our AI voice agent should behave, either friendly, conversational, professional, etc. So the third categorization is style guardrails. Here we can define in the prompt to be conversational, use everyday language, be emotional as our customers might be frustrated because we are delivering bad news. In our example, their car is being towed. Now the last part of the prompt is goals, tasks, or what type of steps our AI voice agent need to accomplish. So the last part of our prompt is goals or what step it needs to do. So the first step we want to define is we want to be polite and ask the user, is it a good time to talk or not? We can say ask if this is a good time to talk or not. If they are not available or busy at the moment, we can say I will call you back later and end the call right over there. And for second step, we want to make sure that we are talking to the right person. For example, ask the user if they are owner of the car with the following number plate, parking in that particular location. If not, say sorry for the confusion and end the call. Now third step is we want to inform the car owner to collect at this particular location, which we have defined here particular timing and what will be the towing fee for their car being towed. Then we also want to give or inform about the towing fees and vehicle parking fees. We can say then, ask if the user want to know about the towing fees and fees per day. So if they say yes, we will share the details about towing fees and fees per day. So this is how our flow of the conversation is going to be with our user. And last but not least, we can say, ask if the user has any other questions, and if they don't have any other questions, end the call. Awesome, so this is our entire conversation flow, and now you know how to write powerful prompts to assign identity, style guardrails, and what goals our AI voice agent needs to do.